This is only a few minutes. Welcome to our video on the concept that 5 minutes of exercise can be the equivalent of 1 hour of exercise. This intriguing idea suggests that with the right approach, a short burst of intense activity can provide comparable benefits to a longer workout session. Seems interesting? How do you reap these benefits and not waste your time at the gym day in and day out? Well, let's explore this concept a little further to discover how to make the most of these time-efficient workouts. We're busy, you're busy, we get it. The concept of 5 minutes equaling to an hour of exercise is based on the principle of high-intensity interval training. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery period. The key is to perform these exercises at max effort, pushing your body to its limits during the short duration. Advocates of this approach argue that the intense nature of these workouts stimulates your cardiovascular system, raises your heart rate, and increases metabolic activity, which are all wins if you're trying to lose weight or just feel healthier. This can lead to improvements in aerobic fitness, calorie burning, and overall cardiovascular health. That's your heart, and all of your juices flowing through your veins. To achieve the desired effects within a short time frame, it's crucial to choose exercises that engage multiple muscle groups and elevate your heart rate significantly. Some common examples include burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, high knees, or squat jumps. By combining these exercises in a circuit and performing them with maximum effort, you can maximize the benefit of a 5-minute workout for yourself. In conclusion, the notion that 5 minutes of exercise can be equal to that of an hour or more of exercise is based on the principle of high-intensity interval training, sometimes called HIIT training. Why is it good for you? By engaging in intense full-body exercises for short periods at full blast, you can elicit substantial cardiovascular and metabolic responses. It's win-win. While these time-efficient workouts can be beneficial, it's important to remember that they may not offer all the benefits of longer, more comprehensive exercise sessions. To make the most of this approach, focus on selecting high-intensity exercises that target multiple muscle groups. And be sure to maintain proper form, challenge yourself, and aim to elevate your heart rate significantly during the workout. Always listen to your body at the same time and start with a suitable fitness level for yourself and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. Remember, while 5 minutes of intense exercise can provide noticeable benefits, it's still essential to incorporate longer workouts and a variety of training modalities to achieve a well-rounded fitness routine for yourself and your health. Consult with a fitness professional to design a workout that aligns with your goals and abilities. This has been only a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos now.